Race number 4 on your racing card, and they're off. Sa totoo lang, draws for your lead. Okay, approved. Moving up by Darrell Gabo. He's running on the outside third. Then joining in by the rail is Lucky Touch. Kampay second last, while Backyard B-Boy is running at the tail of the field. About to pass the last 903 runners, parting it out for the lead. Lucky Touch running by the rail, running in between runners. Okay, approved. Sa totoo lang is on the outside, and getting closer in fourth is Gabo as they rounded the last 600. Sa totoo lang, Gabo now moves up to take the lead. Sa totoo lang, drops back in second. Lucky Touch drops back in third. Okay, approved Kampay. And a long way back to Backyard B-Boy as they swing for home. Gabo, this time by about 3 lengths. Sa totoo lang, running in second. Okay, approved Kampay, Lucky Touch, and Backyard B-Boy with 200 to go. Gabo, sa totoo lang, firing back once again on the outside. It's Gabo, sa totoo lang on the outside, leveling up, and finally, sa totoo lang, Gabo, okay, approved Kampay, Lucky Touch, and Backyard B-Boy comes in last.